Hello, congregation. Today's music moment is brought to you by Trinity Music and Arts Ministry and two of Trinity's members, also members of the Colorado Symphony. John Kinzie and Karen Kinzie play for us today a Gigue. It's so exciting, the combination of djembe and violin. As you listen to this, you will see their joy in making music and their joy in spreading that music to us. So if you get a chance, go to the Colorado Symphony, support the symphony. You'll see John there in the percussion section heading it up, and you'll see Karen on violin, and you'll hear the beautiful music. But for now, enjoy just the two of them.